Happy Mother's Day to all moms. And I was so thankful for the surprise mom's gift sa akin ng aking BFF. Ay, ang ganda. Oh, nasa basket ba siya? Very special. Thank you, Sis Liz Palsis. Ayan. Ano po siya? Friend ko pa siya since elementary, high school, and then, until now, may apo-apo na kami. Friends pa rin kami. And dinalo ko po siya sa kanyang house and she gave me this very special basket. Ayan, nakita niyo. Oh, Mom's Day basket. Oh, nahulog ang mga laman. Ayan. Meron pong laman na brush. Pang-brush ng aking hair. Tama-tama sa aking long hair. At meron po tayong teddy bear. That teddy bear that I will share to my baby Lucas. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. Oops. And meron tayong pabango. Mabango siya. Lalong mai-inlove ang mga followers ko pag naamoy nila ako. Si Ate Panmoy. And with the chocolate, ayan, let's share the chocolate together. Pagkakainin ko kayo dito lang sa social media. Let's share the chocolate. It's a kisses. So, bibigyan ko na lang ka ng kiss, bawat isa. Yan. Thank you, Sister Liz. I love you. With matching bag. Pwede natin ditong ilagay ang ating mga gift. Ayan, di ba? Pupunuin ko to ng regalo. I like the color brown. Color of the year. O, pwede ko pag gawing blouse. What do you think? O, di ba? And with flowers. I love it. Thank you for the flowers. And also, thank you for the nice card. Ayan, ang pinaka-special sa lahat ay ang card. Look at that. I love this basket. Puno ng heart. Puno ng kulang. Kulay means love. So, ilalagay na natin ang ating gift. Ayan, ang ating teddy bear. Ang ating ang ating kisses chocolate. Wow. Ating perfume. Ang ating flowers forever. Ayan. At ang ating hairbrush for my long hair. Thank you, Sis Liz, for this Mother's Day gift. You make me surprised talaga. I feel so special for this one. Thank you so much. I love you. And my little bag na pwede kong gawing blouse. O, diba? O, lagyan ko lang ng tali sa likod. Double purpose na siya. Bag na siya. Blouse pa siya. Pwede kong punuin ang aking gamit. O, ayan. And the most of all, I would like to read the card that she gave to me. Ayan. Look at that. Mother's Day's wishes. Ayan. Ito yung kanyang letters. So, very special. Hindi ko mababasa ngayon kasi mauubos na yung aking memory card. Baka biglang maubos. Happy Mother's Day. Yan ang nakasulat. And, Dear Annie. Ayan. At malabong mata ko walang salamin. Pwede pa rin. Nababasa ko pa rin. Hope your Mother's Day is filled with happiness and good memories. The kind of day that leaves you smiling and feeling appreciated because you are. Love, Philip in this family. So, thank you.